Today I'm going to show you how to make a family favorite of ours, coconut bars. Kind of like a cookie with coconut. Super easy. This is how we do it. First thing we're going to do is cream some butter and sugar. That took unusually long. Okay. Next we're going to add in our coconut and some eggs. All right, don't forget to wipe down your sides too when you're doing this so everything gets incorporated. Next, we're gonna sift in our dry ingredients. I have some flour, baking powder, salt, nutmeg, and cinnamon. Okay, we're gonna mix those in gently so you don't plume it all out into your house. Like that. All right. As you can see, this is a very thick batter. Don't worry, it's not too dry. You didn't do it wrong. It's gonna be a little bit thick. And then we're gonna add our chocolate chips. Mix those in. Now that we have our chocolate chips added in there, we are going to put it in our 8x8 pan. I'm gonna spray it down here with some cooking spray. It is a very thick batter. Don't think you've done it wrong, especially if your butter was as cold as mine was. It's going to potentially give you a little bit of a fit when you put it in, but we can fix that. Okay. Now here's what I'm gonna do, because mine's not wanting to spread. I'm gonna take a little bit of cooking spray. You can do this with some butter or some oil. Kind of like when we're doing our Rice Krispie treats. So now that we've got that all oiled up, we're just gonna press it in so it fills the pan. Like it's starting to get soft. You can feel the butter starting to get warmed up. All right, so we're pretty even. I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees. We're gonna bake it for about 20 minutes and check it for its doneness. All right, our 20 minutes is up. We're gonna grab them out. Ooh, yeah, baby. And they smell amazing. We're gonna let them cool down, then we're gonna cut into them and eat them. See you in a few. Our coconut bars have been cooling for about 20-30 minutes. We are going to taste test them. They smell amazing. Here we go. I got that one a little lopsided. That's all right. That's what we got kids for, right? Ooh, that's amazing. All right, here we go. Oh yeah. That is amazing. It's nice and fluffy. For as thick of a batter as it was, you'd think it'd end up turning out really dry, and it doesn't. It's just, oh, it's just perfect. See that? Nice and golden. Gorgeous. Great with ice cream too, if it lasts that long, but it probably won't, because I'm gonna go eat this right now. Have a good one, y'all.